Reaction to dive to the side but lower. Anything higher, it doesn't matter the pace on the ball.
Here come Chiefs again with the mode. He's got Tshabalala with him. Tshabalala gets onto it. Tshabalala!
That's more like
Gets
it.
them level! I'm sure he doesn't want his fans to keep quiet.
That's more like it. That's the reaction of a team that has been on the front foot. Biggest challenge for Kaizer with all chances created is like they let themselves down by not being efficient in front of goal. And this was class. With his right foot, looking for that far corner as we look into it. But Modi had to be excellent with the weight of the pass. I think that for me did the trick.
And the timing, the release of the ball before Tshabalala went offside. Excellent finish there. Brings it onto his right boot. What a finish. I guess they want to do things the hard way, do Kaizer Chiefs.
They don't want the easier stuff.
All square. What all? Game on. Back with live pictures.